couple of years ago I made a diesel heater video involving this little piece of equipment here that made fitting the heater a lot easier. Now this is a T-piece. It goes into the fuel return pipe underneath the van, and I'll leave a link to it for an eBay. Sometimes they change, so if you watch this video at a later date and you click on the link and it doesn't work, leave me a message and I'll find it again. But 2 years on, is it still working? Now, possibly the main reason for this update is there were a few comments on the videos I've made about using this little T-piece, and a few of the comments are, oh yes, you shouldn't do it like that, it won't work, and so on. So let's see if it still works. Now I'm going to leave the video running just to show that I don't get underneath and do anything weird and change any of the settings or anything while the video's running. So we'll wait. In fact, while we're waiting, because obviously it's just blowing cold air at the moment, it's in the starting sequence, let's go underneath the van and let's see if this piece is still there. So there's the fuel pump, there's the fuel filter, and there's the pipe, and there you go, there's the T-piece. But is it still working? Will I be stuck underneath the van forever? Normally I'd have edited that bit out, but as I said, I'd leave the camera running. So I might just hear the pump clicking. Air's still blowing out. It's still cold at the moment. Point out how much I love a Vivaro. You might have noticed from some of the videos recently, especially black Vivaro, and I'm currently converting that one, which will be up for sale soon. Might as well fit in the sales pitch while I'm got a few seconds. It's a long wheelbase, black, 98,000 mile, coming soon. And the stealth one, obviously. Right. Now that's just warming up nicely. It is on 6. From this point on, in patches, the sound is almost unhearable, really. It's now lovely warm. Not from the odd time when I put my hand in front of the vent like that. You can't hear what I'm saying because I didn't realise the vent is blowing air straight at the microphone of the phone camera. Basically, you'll be able to tell hopefully that the air is coming out hot, and the T-piece does still work after 2 years. I will leave a link in the description for the T-piece.